Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna make some boiled potatoes, and we need some potatoes and a knife to cut the potatoes into cubes, and we have a peeler to peel off the skin of the potatoes, and we have a plate for the final dish. Okay guys, and next step is we're gonna clean the potatoes. Make sure we will remove all of the dirt. And then now we're done. Gonna put it in the sand. Okay guys, now this is our potato. It's already peeled off. And then now we're just gonna cut it into cubes. Okay, then now guys, we're gonna cut the potatoes now into cubes. Okay guys, now we are already done to cut the potatoes into cubes. Now we're going to cook it. Okay, and then now guys, we already have water in the pan, and then now we're going to wait it to boil. So while it's boiling, we will put some potatoes. Hello guys, doing now, while water is boiling, evaporation happens when the liquid turns into gas. The process begins when the molecules of the liquid get energy in the form of heat. They then turn into a vapor. After this gaining of energy. Okay, then now guys, the water is boiling. We'll now put the stove into medium heat, and we will put the potatoes inside the pan. Okay, then now guys, the potatoes are already in the pan. We'll just wait until it gets cooked. Hello guys, additional information. As the potato is cooked, its texture becomes softer and squeezier. As the reason for the change in texture is the rupturing of the cell walls. When they are intact, they hold the potato in a rigid shape. Okay, then now guys, the potato is already cooked, and then now it was cooked for 10 to 15 minutes, and then now we're gonna taste it. It's yummy. Remember guys, vegetables is healthy and yummy.